Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crazy Captain. Today we're going to be talking about loose screws in a 2018 Chevy Silverado. So what I've been noticing lately, I've got a 2018 Chevy Silverado. It's approximately 3 years old. Driving down the road, it sounds like there's a screw rolling around in the dash. It's been driving me crazy for the last 2 months or so, and I just couldn't figure out what was causing it. After doing a little research and talking to the passengers in the vehicle, I just could not come to the conclusion where this screw was in a dash. I took pretty much the whole dash apart, couldn't find anything abnormal, no screws, nothing loose. Sitting in the driver's side, it sounds like the rolling screw sounds like it's in the dash on the right side, and sitting on the passenger side, it sounds like the rolling screw is in the dash on the left side of the vehicle. So you get conflicting sounds depending on where you're sitting in the vehicle. Is pretty confusing, but I figured out where it was coming from. The screw is actually coming from your center console in your ceiling, where your dome light is and where your sunglass holder is. And it's a pretty easy fix to figure it out. I'll try to give you some pictures. I forgot to take a video of it while I was doing it, but it's a pretty easy fix. But I'll go ahead and show you some pictures as I go. So the tools required you're going to need in order to fix this issue is simple tools. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a straight edge screwdriver, and use Loctite. The screw fell out, so therefore we're going to put some Loctite on it to secure it to make sure it doesn't come out again. So what you want to do is you want to get inside your truck, and step one is get inside your truck, and you're going to look at your center console at the top there, right where your dome light is and where your sunglass holder is, and you're going to push your sunglass holder open just slightly so you can get access to where the two plastics meet, where your actual light console is. So basically, with the sunglass compartment closed, you don't have access to pry open the dome light part of it. So you're going to open up the sunglass compartment open to about a 40-degree angle or so, and then you're going to take a straight edge screwdriver, you're going to stick it in between the two plastics, two locking clips in there, one on each side, on the left and the right, and you're just going to insert the straight edge screwdriver just enough to where you can just kind of pry open and open those clamps. Once the clamps open, you can take that compartment and you can just kind of pull it away. Once I pulled it away, that clamp and that compartment came out, the screw that had came loose had completely fallen out and it was laying right on top. And this is a picture of what it looks like. So it's pretty simple to do. Once you just pull out that compartment there, the screw was on top. I put a little Loctite on it and I put it back into that hole. Once you screw it back into the hole, I went ahead and repeated it and did the other side and put some Loctite on it. I took the screw out, put Loctite on it, and put it back in. To put the compartment in, you just simply just push it back up and it clicks, and you're done. That's it. It's a pretty simple fix. Pretty aggravating that you pay that much for a truck and these screws are just kind of falling out of the center console. I've owned many Chevy products in the past and never had any issues, but it seems like there's a couple of different screws in different places that are starting to be known to fall out on a 2018 model, and maybe other years as well. So that's an easy fix to fix that noise. If you do have a sound in your dash that's rolling, like a screw rolling around, that's actually where it is. It's in your center console where your sunglass holder is in the ceiling.